See through a trick the table of a number. Biggest number from 1 to 20 is 20. I know you all know 20. We won't do that. We'll do 19, which is the real biggest number. What is 19 manza? Okay. Now, 19 manza is 19. I don't remember the table of 19. So what I'll do is, I'll use my trick. Trick is, what is less than 9? Okay, continue. 7, then? Okay, so I did the whole table of 19. Now, after 1, what's the next number? Wrong. I mean the next odd number. 3. Okay, so it's alternate. It's not one after the other. 3. After 3, what's the next number? Okay? Okay? 11, 13, 15, 17, and 19. That's it. The table of 19 is over. You saw how without any mugging up, without any reference, just by an easy trick like this you could learn. Would you like to learn a table in this way, or would you like to mug it up? This way. So let's continue. What is 3 answers? 19 manza, 19 twoza, 19 threeza. Okay, again, 19 manza, 19 threeza. Good, not 38. And 19 twoza, 38. Now in every table, normally the 4th answer is a tricky one. After 5 is 7. Before 7 comes 6. So it is 76. 19 fourza, 76. And 19 fiza is the easiest answer. What is 100 minus 5? 95. So आपका आधा table हो चुका है. Okay, Zainab, I think you are good in maths. So let me ask you. Say the first 5 answers. 19 one's-a, 19 two's-a, 3's-a, 4's-a. Okay, and 5's-a. Okay, I think Jamshed, you are also good in maths. You say the same thing, ulta. 5's-a. Yeah. 4's-a. Okay, 3's-a. Absolutely right. Very good. Now the next 2 answers we'll use our fingers. 19 six's-a is 1, 1, 4. 1, 1, 4. And 19 seven's-a is not 1, 1, 3. It's 1, 3, 3. 1, 3, 3. So what is 19 six's-a? And 19 seven's-a? 3, 3. Okay, now 19 eights-a is the only answer which you will mug up. Or not mug up, I would say. Repeat it so many times that it becomes a part of your memory. So, you, in a table, instead of learning each and every answer by heart, it's always good to just learn one answer. That is 19 eights-a here. It's 152. 152. 19 nines-a is 171. 1 and 1, बीच में आएगा 7. And what is 19 tens-a? 190. That's it. The whole table of 19 is over. Who would like to see the whole table of 19? I think both Snehal, Krisha and Kushi are good in maths. All 3 of you? Try. Start. 1's-a, 2's-a, 3's-a, 4's-a, 6's-a. Good. You are a very alert group. You have not made any this thing run away. But it's 95. You didn't blindly say 95. It's 114. And 5's-a? And 6's-a, show me your fingers. Then only you remember. 1, 1, 4. And 7's-a? Okay. 8's-a? 9's-a? And 10's-a? Very good. That was fantastic. So you saw how you could learn this whole table easily. Okay, let's see before we go to something else. I taught you this date of birth. Now, ad hoc I'll ask, who's born in April? Just say the name and date first. Okay? And the person who's born should not answer. Somebody else. Okay. Who is born on July? Yeah, don't give them an indication. Don't give your hand. I know you know your own date of birth. Okay, who was born 13 days after Gandhiji? Very good. Okay, and who was born 3 weeks before Palak? Okay, who was born 21 days after Saloni? It should be fast. Okay. Who is born in this group? There's only one person who is born before me. That's a January person. Okay. And who is born in February? Okay. Which date? I'm born on 24th. He's born on 6th. Okay. Very good. And when is your president born? No? 7 June. Okay. In May, who was born? 15 May किसका birthday है? No, Delta is this thing. Okay, and who's left? I think we have covered all. October 19th we forgot. Who's October 19th? Okay, very good. Kushi, we forgot you, I guess. What's your birthday? 15 Jan. Yes, okay. So you're before me. So we still remember these things. We have not forgotten. Now, there are many Vedic math tricks for which you need the paper. One you can do instantly. Let me give you a 2-digit number. 72 multiplied by 11. Now, I can do this answer in a second and so can you. What you have to do is write 7 and 2 leaving some gap. What is 7 plus 2? 9. So the answer is 7, 9, 2. Did you get me? 7, 9, 2. Okay, there will be a carryover in this which we will not do right now. Right now, let's focus on non-carryover. What is 34 into 11? Okay. What is 53 into 11? Okay. Give others also a chance. Okay. What is 81 into 11? Wrong. 891. Very good. Okay, so you can do these answers chutki baja ke in a jiffy, if you know the trick well enough. Now we shall see a concentration exercise. Okay, I told you earlier we'll do a exercise on concentration. Let's see a small asan. What we are going to do is an asan called Brahma Mudra. Does anyone know what Brahma Mudra is? Does anyone do yoga here? Not a single person. Okay. So yoga there's an asan called Brahma Mudra. You have to do this for 2 minutes at the moment. It's a asan where for 30 seconds you will turn your head in the left, then slowly you will go to the right, slowly you will go up, lastly you shall come down. This is Brahma Mudra. Closing your eyes, removing your specs. So, a beautiful smile on your face and turn to your left and stay there. Aankhein band, Jamshed. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Revise everything taught to you. We have done so many things in the last 45-50 minutes. So, sab apne dimag mein rakhiye and keep that in your mind. Revise, re-revise. Whatever worry, stress, anxiety, tension, depression, problem you may have, just forget it. And yeah, don't keep your eyes open. As Sneha, keep your head completely on that side. Don't tilt your head. Turn your head fully. Yeah, Zainab, you're doing it great. And yeah, also smile. Smiling is very important. Okay, now turn to the other side. Left say right. Stay there.